The directions for today's assignment for the first part say to state the lowest number to which you can multiply the equation in order to clear the decimals. And so we talked about in class, we need to look at the decimal, figure out what number that is a multiple of 10. We can multiply any one of these combination of numbers to clear that decimal. Here I see I have two spaces after the decimal, so that would take 100, multiplying it by 100 to clear the decimal. Here again, two places, multiplying by 100, and the third term, multiplying by 100. So our lowest number to which we can multiply in order to clear the decimal is 100. Question number 4 now says to clear the equation of decimals. It does not say to solve. So, looking at number 4, again, 4.15, if we multiply that by 100, that will clear the decimal. 3.001, well, that would require us to multiply it by 1,000 to clear the decimal. And 0.01, again, 100. Well, the lowest number that we can multiply into all three of these that actually clears us of decimals is 1,000, because our middle term requires 1,000 to clear that decimal. So, I'm going to multiply every number times 1,000. So my equation will look something like this to start with. And then 1,000 times 4.15 will give me 4150x minus 3001 equals, I'm going to move this decimal over 3 places, to 10. Now let's look at one example where the problem actually says to solve the equation. Here I see number 7, 5.11. Well, that's going to require me to multiply by 100. 5.2, multiply by 10 to clear the decimal. And 10.13, again multiplying by 100. So 100 is my lowest number that will clear decimals for all of my terms. So 5.11 times 100 would be 511x minus 520 equals 1,013. And now we have no decimals. And while you might think this is not that great of a tool, it's actually one you're going to find is pretty helpful, especially in some of your high school and college courses. So, when you think back of 7th grade, you'll remember having done it already. So, in order for me to solve this equation, I need to add 520 to both sides of the equation. That would give me 3,351 equals 511x. And when I divide by 511 on both sides of my expression, that will cancel out, and I will have x equals 1,533 divided by 11, which is equivalent to 3.